What's up, guys? I welcome you to the one of the most famous place for tourists in Moscow, Sparrow Hills. Here is located the greatest university in Russia, Moscow State University, Lomonosov Moscow State University. It is surrounded by a park with a lot of beautiful roads where you can walk with kids or your loved ones. Here are some flowers which smells great. Oh, some people are riding bicycles or other transporting systems. But this is the main goal why we are here. The picture that gives us the Vorobyovygory or Sparrow Hills. Here is the Moscow city, a place in the town where there are a lot of skyscrapers, and the view to the Moscow. Right there in front of us there is Luzhniki Stadium, which was opening the Olympic Games in 1980s. Sparrow Hills are situated on the bank of Moscow River, and that's very important because Captain Jack Sparrow now can come ashore. There are a lot of boats here that you can ride on, the different styles, and the prices are around $10 to ride on them. A lot of tourists like to do that because you can see the city from the riverside and not be wasting your time in the traffic jams. Some boats are pretty old and look very gorgeous, like this boat with the spinning wheels on it. It is making a lot of splashes. On these type of boats you can see and hear some excursion and even take something to eat. They have breakfast and meals there. Depending on the time of the day, you can find some crowd there or just a few people. So that's a very interesting part. But we're actually back on the hills. There is a child playground designed like a rocket, and you can spend some time there. A couple of swings and benches. To get on the hills, you have to waste a lot of energy because the hills are very tough. You see these stairs, they're very big, and some houses for the trees which are called skvoreshnik. Little birds can live there right here on the Sparrow Hills. And now some constructions going on. This is actually a cableway station. It was opened just a few years ago, maybe 1 year, and now you can ride a cable car right across the Moscow River. Alright, guys, that was I Do One. Thanks you for tuning in for my short excursion for Sparrow Hills. If you have a time to visit Moscow, be sure to visit Sparrow Hills. See you, bye!